Okay, in the previous class we have to discuss about addition of algebraic expression. In that addition, we do not change the sign of the expressions. Okay, in here then in that section, in the subtraction of algebraic expression, we have to change the sign of the expressions. Okay, sign of the expressions. Here, then write the additive inverse of 3a plus 4b minus 6c. The additive inverse means the negative, it changes the one positive changes the positive change into negative, then the negative change into positive, then this is the additive inverse. Okay, here the change the sign of the expressions, just change the sign of the expression. In that addition, do not change the sign of the expressions. Okay, here in a subtraction we have to change the sign of the expressions. Okay, here the sign of the 3a, then 3a, the sign of 3a is a positive. Okay, the change into negative. Okay, the sign of 4b is a positive, the change into negative. And the sign of 6c means positive, the change into negative, Then subtract here minus c minus 6c, the not a plus 6c, minus c, so subtract minus 6c. Here the minus c and minus 6 is minus 7c, Okay, the sum of two negative integers, is negative, the minus 7c. Or here 2a minus 3a, not a 3 positive plus 3a, minus 3a, 2 minus 3, the 2 minus 3 is minus 1. Here the positive 2 and negative 2, the sum of negative and positive is the negative or positive, that depends upon the sign of a bigger value is negative, the answer will be negative. Here minus a, here positive 3 and negative 4, positive 3 and negative 4 is negative b, Okay, here the both are a negative, the minus and minus c, and minus 6c, minus 7c. The answer is minus a, minus b, minus 7c. Okay, and this is a subtraction of algebraic expression. To take another example, you have to change the sign of expression, minus, here the sign of 2c is negative, the change into positive. Okay, here plus a minus 4a, not a positive 4a, the negative 4a, the positive and negative, sum of negative and positive is positive or negative, it depends upon the sign of a bigger value is 3a. 4 minus 1, here when there is no number means 1, 4 minus 1, here minus 4 and plus 1, minus 4 plus 1 is minus 3a. Here the both are negative signs, the sum of a negative integer is a negative, minus here 1 plus 6 is 7b. The next one, minus 2c and plus 2c, minus 2c and plus 2c, here they get cancelled, here 0. The answer is 3a minus, here minus 2c and plus 2c, minus 2c plus 2c get cancelled, and minus 3a minus 7b. Okay, then this is a vertical method of subtraction of algebraic expressions. Okay, in that section we will change the sign of a expression, Okay, in addition, do not change the sign of the expression. Okay, the third one, the subtract the second expression from the first. From the first means, okay, from, then after the from means the first expression, write the first expression, y square. Okay, here subtract the first expression. Here the first expression, then this is the second expression. Here the first expression, here the second expression. Subtract second expression from the first. ಏನು ಮಾಡತ್ತನ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಇಂದ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಅನ್ನು ಮೈನಸ್ ಮಾಡಂದ್ರ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ನಾವು ಯಾವ್ದು ಬರ್ಕೋಬೇಕು, ಫಸ್ಟ್ ನೇ ಬರ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡು, subtract the first expression from the second ಒಳಗೆ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು, ಫಸ್ಟ್ ನೇ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಾಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ. 5x square plus 6x minus 8. ಓಕೆ, ಫ್ರಮ್ ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಯಾವ್ದು ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಅದನ್ನ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಬರ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. ಫ್ರಮ್ ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಯಾವ್ದು ಬಂತೈತಿ, ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ರೆಷನ್ ಬಂದೈತೆ, ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ರೆಷನ್ ಬರ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಫ್ರಮ್ ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಯಾವ್ದು ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ರೆಷನ್ ಬಂದೈತಿ, ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ರೆಷನ್. ಫ್ರಮ್ ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಯಾವ್ದು ಬಂದೈತಿ, ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್, ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ನ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಬರ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. ಫ್ರಮ್ ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಬಂತಂದ್ರ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಬರ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. ಫ್ರಮ್ ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಬಂತಂದ್ರ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ರೆಷನ್ ನಾವು ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಬರ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ರೆಷನ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಬರ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. Here minus 3x square plus y square. The sign operation is subtraction. 4x square plus 7y square. 7y square. Here minus 3x square plus y square plus into minus 4x square plus into minus 7y square. Minus 7y square. Here are the like terms, x square minus 3x square minus 4x square. Here the sum of a negative integer is negative. Summation 7, 3 plus 4, 7, the negative sign. The sum of a negative integer is negative. 7x square, 3 plus 4, 7x square. Here positive y square, negative y square. Okay, the difference, the 7 minus y is minus 6y square. Why the minus 6y square? Here the sum of a positive and negative integer. Sum of positive and negative integer is then the negative or positive. Here the depends upon the operation is subtraction. Here the sign is depends upon the bigger value. Bigger value sign is negative. The answer will negative. The 7 minus 1. Here when there is no number means 1. The 7 minus 1 is 6. 6 minus 6y square. Okay. Here the subtract the second expression. Here the second expression from the first. First ಒಳಗೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಕಳಿಬೇಕು. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ರೆಷನ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ದ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಕಳಿಬೇಕು. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಬರ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. ಓಕೆ, ರೈಟ್ ಅ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ರೆಷನ್. ದ ಫಸ್ಟ್ minus operation is negative. The second expression. Okay, second expression from the here first expression from the second first ಬರ್ಕೊಂಡೆ, ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಇದ್ದಿದ್ರೆ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಬರ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. 3x square minus 5x plus 4. Here 5x square plus 6x minus 8 plus into minus 3x square minus into minus plus 5x plus into minus 4. Okay, in like terms, here 5x square minus 3x square. 5x square minus 3x square is 2x square. Here the bigger value sign is positive. 5 minus 3, 2, as it is x square. Next 6x and 5x both are positive. 11x. Minus and minus, the sum of a two negative integer is negative. Here the sum 8 plus 4 is 12. Okay, then this is a horizontal method of subtraction of algebraic expression. Here in the subtraction, the sign, the additive inverse of the expressions. Okay, additive inverse means the change into negative, change into positive, positive change into negative. Here the subtraction, the second, or in that horizontal method, subtract the second expression. Then this is the second expression from the first. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ರೆಷನ್ ಅನ್ನ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಕಳಿಬೇಕು. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಆಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಬರ್ಕೋಬೇಕು, ಫಸ್ಟ್ ದೇ ಬರ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. ಫ್ರಮ್ ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಯಾವ್ದಿರುತ್ತೆ, ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ರೆಷನ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ರೆ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ರೆಷನ್. ಫ್ರಮ್ ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ರೆಷನ್ ಇತ್ತಂದ್ರೆ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ರೆಷನ್ ಅನ್ನು ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಬರ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ರೆಷನ್ ಅನ್ನು ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ರೆಷನ್ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಬರ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಇದ್ದದನ್ನ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಬರ್ಕೋಬೇಕು, ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಇದ್ದದನ್ನ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಬರ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. ಫ್ರಮ್ ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ರೆಷನ್ ಇದ್ರೆ ಅದು ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಬರ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. ಫ್ರಮ್ ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ರೆಷನ್ ಇದ್ರೆ ಅದು ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಬರ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. ಫ್ರಮ್ ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ರೆಷನ್ ಇದ್ರೆ ಅದು ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಬರ್ಕೊಂಡು ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ರೆಷನ್ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಬರ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. Okay, and this is a subtraction of algebraic expression in a two method. One is vertical method and horizontal method.